Period. It's like my pregnant behind can't fit this damn thing, but I mean, come through, body, like, ew. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Imani E. If you're new, thank you for showing up and showing out and liking and watching and subscribing, because that's just what you're supposed to do when you're on my channel. But aside from that, guys, today's video is exactly what you saw as far as what the title was. I let my followers on Instagram choose a full face, and they got taste. I had all faith in my people. Also make sure you're following your girl on Instagram down below at Miss Imani E. I post a lot on there, especially with coming up right now with being 2 months away from having this baby. You guys might want to be on my Instagram right now, because I'm not going to be posting too much on my YouTube, except for when it's time for me to post the labor and delivery vlogs. But other than that, let's go ahead and get right into it. We are going to do a cheetah inspired look. So let's go into the first thing. Okay, so first things first, because I haven't done it yet, I'm going to prime my face with Maybelline's Master Prime. Get off. So I went ahead and I put my calamine lotion off camera just so we can go ahead and dry. But the first thing that my followers chose, since I'm doing it this way, this is my whole new routine, between my Maybelline Super Stay foundation and the Born This Way Too Faced foundation, which I just picked up. Guys, I had a whole mini haul, but that's neither here nor there. We're gonna get into that one day. 69% chose Born This Way, so that's what we're going with. And yeah, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already tested this out in one of my previous photos, and when I say perfect match, I am a caramel in this. Yeah, be exact. I am a caramel, and it's, I almost cried when I put it on. So I was like, ain't no way that this stuff is just this bomb. Where have I been? I've been asleep. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, I guess you can say last. Let me get that over there. Excuse my beauty blender. I just washed all my stuff, but I forgot to wash this one again after I used it in my last look. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys are following on me. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram at Miss Imani E, because I'm gonna be posting a lot on there. I'm slowly but surely building it up. I'm at 8,000 something up right now. I'm trying to get to 10K. I would like to get to 10K maybe by June. I would like to do it before this month lets out, because I feel like it's achievable, because anything is possible. And if you guys support me like you say you do, you go and follow your girl. If you're watching this video, you will go follow your girl, because if you're watching this video and you're watching all the way through, you probably like the whole thing. So go follow your girl. But other than that, I also post on my stories a lot to hear what you guys want to see from me, because I feel like that's been a big accomplishment and a lot of my success as far as being noticed by these brands like NYX, Tarte, Moda, Maybelline. Oh my gosh, I don't even know who else to name. It's been a lot of makeup companies, even Black Radiance Beauty. They've just been like on it with like my posts, and then again, I'm relentless with tagging and making sure they know the girl. All right, so the next thing we're gonna see is what they chose as far as will be my concealer. So between the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer and, you know, my Tarte Shape Tape. And once again, like I said, they love me. They gotta love me, because guess what they chose? Tarte Shape Tape, because 67% of 33. Let's get it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight everything else like normal. Instead of doing everything at the end, I'm gonna do it now. And I know you're like, oh my gosh, you're gonna do all that stuff, even eyeshadow? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I know people are like, what about fallout? Your girl has learned some methods, trust me, so I ain't worried. I ain't never scared. And then plus, y'all talking about fallout. baby, that's the point of concealer. Concealer fixes everything, so no worries. But like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight like I normally highlight. Like a real tribal right now. All right, and now we're gonna blend it out. Guys, normally I will take a damp beauty blender, so that's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and set where it's wet because I don't want it to dry up and just look bad. I don't want no creases in my concealer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set. Let's see. And what I'm gonna do, since I have to do my eyeshadow, I'm gonna leave it on here. I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, you're gonna have a ghostly white cast. No, I'm not. I can promise you I'm not, because of what I'm about to do. The trick is to have your contour palette, which is another one I didn't get to post because I only have Black Radiance Beauty. So guys, let me know in the comments below or my Instagram, like I said, on what's the next best contour palette too. Should I switch it from cream contour or keep it at powder? Let me know, let me know. Let's see, I really want to snatch this nose, so I'm gonna bring that in some more. Gotta snatch the nose. Being pregnant, ooh wee. Gotta snatch the nose. You see that nose? Pinched. The next thing that my followers chose for my eyeshadow palette, it was between Trendy in Tokyo and the Maybelline Nudes of New York, and 62% chose Nudes of New York, so that's what we're gonna do. So the shade that I'm gonna go on with for my base, since we're doing this cheetah look, the heroin shade, which is, let me go ahead and get the brush out that I'm gonna use for this too, because I need, yes, but the heroin shade is this one right here. And I'm just gonna pack that all over my lid. It kind of matches my skin tone, so it probably won't show up the way I really want it to, but that's okay because I don't need it to show up too much. Granted, because my skin is already cheetah-like, I feel like whatever was also on this brush too is on this brush. Nope, that's just that's the color. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna smoke it out then. Yeah, so the next step is to create the actual spots in it. So the color I'm going to use to make sure it's dark enough to be seen, I could use Explorer, but I think I'm going to go in with Self Starter. I need like a precision type thing. I could use that. And Self Starter is this shade right here. And kind of just going to create the spots. So I want to make sure I get this right. It's okay if they're not perfect because cheetah spots aren't perfect, and that's what we're kind of going for here. I just want to make sure I have enough that it's noticeable that these are cheetah spots. Oop, I just dipped it in some gold. I was not trying to do that. And I'm gonna carry that up out here. I feel like it's an empty space right there, so Little dot. Now, because of my OCD hearing, I gotta make sure I have equal amount of spots. It's 3, 6, 9, 12, it's 14. Okay. I know y'all counting, aren't y'all? So we have those. Okay, that one's a little bit further out, so let me just do that. Okay, boom. So the next thing that I am going to do is take my NYX Epik ink liner and outline the black spots. Well, not black spots, but you know, the black around the spots, yeah. So that's when the girl executed. You can't tell me I didn't. You know what, I'm just gonna finish. So because I wanna make this look pop some more, I'm kinda gonna draw like that fine point eyeliner down there, but I'm not gonna do a wing because this is already kind of my wing. Next I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm going in with the Absolute New York Super Slim Brow Pencil. Like I said, I changed my whole brow up, and I like the whole high fashion brow type of thing, but certain looks I feel like it works. So pretty much all you do is brush your brow up like so. And you just fill it in with light feather strokes, and you barely brush it again after that. That's what I like about this. So it's kind of like the messy brow, but the messy brow that works. So like I said, I'm gonna take some mascara just to darken it up some. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is put on my lashes because I feel like they need to be on there. So let's go ahead with these and just call it. Yeah, so I had already started doing it. My fault, but I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Beauty True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off all of this loose setting powder just to get some color back to my face. I probably do this about 3 to 5 times to really get the contour that I want to make my cheekbones stand out, and I think I got what I wanted. Seems like my the ColourPop highlighter kind of has like a wet consistency, and I'm gonna use my finger because I feel like that picks up the product more. But look, here's my nails like I said, guys, and I'm just gonna like right here in this specific spot. I want to bring it all the way up my cheekbone.
track, boy.
There we go. Oh, hold on a minute. Something just doesn't look right. Give me 1 sec. It's kind of. Okay, I think I got it. But that pretty much concludes this video, guys. I hope you guys loved it, enjoyed it. Whew. Trying to put this outfit on while pregnant is not easy. I'm winded, but that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you follow your girl on Instagram. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, so you can DM me or you can participate in my polls. And thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.